PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning provides expert ductwork repair services in Reading, PA, helping restore proper airflow, energy efficiency, and indoor air quality for homes and businesses. Our skilled technicians diagnose leaks, damage, and blockages to ensure your HVAC system runs smoothly and reliably year-round. If you have any questions, please contact our ductwork repair service. Are you looking for a ductwork repair near me? You can stop looking. You found PJ Mac HVAC Air Duct Cleaning. What is ductwork repair? Ductwork repair involves fixing leaks, gaps, disconnections, or damaged sections in your HVAC duct system to improve airflow, efficiency, and indoor air quality. Can duct leaks really affect my energy bills? Yes, leaky ducts can cause significant energy loss, forcing your HVAC system to work harder and increasing your monthly utility costs. What is your service area for the Reading, Pennsylvania service office? Our ductwork repair have served Reading, Leesport, Garfield, Burnville, North Heidelberg, Brownsville, Robisonia, Warnersville, Mountain, Temple, Laureldale, Penside, Rifton, Shillington, Baumstown, Birdsboro, Scarlett's Mill, Plowville, Reinholds, Swartsville, Pennsylvania. Where is your Reading, Pennsylvania ductwork repair office located? We are located at 400 Washington Street No. 109, Reading, Pennsylvania 19601. Our phone number is 610-672-3044. Visit our website, www.pjmachvac.com/air-duct-cleaning-service-reading.